the body, I made it breezy again and again and again and again, and it's always coming to me. And now, so as basic tutorial, I want to teach you 5 basic hip-hop steps, hip-hop moves. Now, you want to use them for the freestyle, use them for the choreos, you want to use them, not just sit practice, okay? At first, something that is very important is just the bounce, okay? The bounce is actually, it can be set as a step, but it's really like the basic foundation of hip-hop. So we learn, we want to learn how to bounce, okay? Like just bounce, okay? Just bounce, improving to the move, okay? Okay? That's the first thing you gotta learn. And I mean, you gotta learn this yourself. I can explain it to you like you just have to like, okay, always kind of bend the knees and adapt the body and play with the hands, okay? Okay, and then you can do your whole body too, just bounce a little bit, and you can add too, okay? Okay? But you gotta learn that, you gotta practice that, and learn. And you can take you 10 years to do that. 10 years to do more. But I tell you, the more you practice that, it's going to be easier for you. You're going to be bouncing. You will be capable of dancing on the whole song with bouncing. Okay? So, actually, the first move that I'm going to show it to you today is called the party juke. Okay? Party juke is like, most of the steps in hip hop come from USA, from New York, from the Bronx, from Brooklyn, from LA, like most of them from Cameroon, from Brooklyn, like I said, most of them they come from USA. There are other moves that came to the dictionary from other countries and other spots, but the base of hip hop and everything, it started with the rapping shit, the NC shit, and the b-boy shit, breakdance and stuff. I want to talk about that. If you want me to talk about that, I can give you some references or I can make a video about that. But today, let's start with the party juke. The party juke is a very cool move, okay? Maybe some of you have seen that in some of the videos of that maybe Zumba, I don't know, or any other dance style, okay? I want to show the party juke first, okay? Slowly, okay? Okay? That's the abbreviation. Okay, that's the party, okay? And one more. So what you want to do is just take your left, your foot first, and you go to the side with it. Okay, you want to go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. And by doing that, when you're doing that, you want to take your upper body to bend a little bit. At first it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable, but the more you do that, you practice that, get your body used to being a little bit uncomfortable, okay? So you want to go, in case you start to do the right side, maybe on the left side. You start with the right side, you want to go in 1. And then you just change the direction, do the same thing. The arms you can just like go here, and then you just bring them up towards your chest, and then you come with the upper back downwards. And 1, and then you change, do the same thing again. Alright, you go downwards with the arm, and then you change the side. And 2. Okay, and 1 and 2. So the foot, like I said, is basically 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That will be the simplest variation. The other variation, you go and 1 and 2, and then you repeat and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? At each 4 count, you want to repeat the side in which you are. Okay, we do that with the arms. You start with the back side. You want to go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, that's all it is. And then you want to mark it. You want to practice a little bit. How you want to do whatever you want. Okay? That was the party juke. Second step that I want to teach you is a little cool step that I like to do. It's called true. Okay? Actually, there's a step that's kind of inspired from me. It's called off. Maybe I'll show that after that. I want to show you true first. Okay. Here we go. At first, I show you the move. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, that's true. So what you want to do is, you push yourself upwards, okay, twice, and then you use your body and you do the out movement, okay? You know the out? That's the out. Okay, that's actually the out. Okay, hit, ha. You always kind of push your leg outside, so the side of your arms, and use your leg. And you can bend a little bit into the movement. Do that at first jump. You push yourself upwards. 1, 2. You start either with the right foot or the left foot. Okay, I usually start with the left foot. And then you push yourself again twice. 1, 2, and then you go from the opposite side from which you started first. Then right, left in my case. Okay? We do that together slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You want to practice that. That was true. Okay. The third step that I want to show you today is fila. Okay? Fila. Okay? There are a lot of variations of them. I'll show you 2, 3 variations of them. First, I'll show you a very easy variation you don't want to practice. That's like the time you hold and there are flies everywhere. If you want to catch them, you can. I'll actually show you like the variation of fila which you can use to catch the flies. Okay? What you want to do is really smoothly play with your arms and your shoulders. Okay? You have 1, 2, 3. And by the first step, you jump with that right foot if you are facing the left side, and then you clap. Okay? You clap all the way at your flies. And do the same thing in the other direction. Ha, 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 and, hey, ta, ta, hey, ta, ta. Okay, that's one version of fila. Okay, another variation of fila. Okay, I'll show you that first. You go and. Okay, you want to first step with the left foot to the side and 1. Take the ball, then either you clap or you throw it. Okay? Okay? Hey, and use your upper body to really smooth. You can use your upper body to do some wave, to do some groove. Okay? We go again. Together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that was 2 variations of fila. That's the third move. The fourth move that I want to show you is the stiff marching. You know, the stiff marching. I will show you 2 variations. Stiff marching, doesn't matter which side you want to start. You can also start to the front, but just go directly into the movement. Okay? I show you the movement first. Stiff marching. You want to go ha, and ha. You want to go, okay? And this side you can do hey, and then the variation is just straight inside every time. Okay? Hey, okay? That's it. That's the stiff marching. Okay, let's start it together. I'll make it easy for you. We'll start from this side. Maybe the right side for me, the left side for you. So you want to take if you're facing the right side, you want to take the left foot. Okay, the opposite foot, forward. And then you want to go, you can use your upper body and bend towards your foot. Okay, lift it up, and 1, then you lift the other leg up, and 2, and then lift again the other leg, and 3. Now you want to push under, and then change, switch position. Slide to the side, and then take your leg up. Okay, I am here, I just slide on my foot, I take the momentum from the other leg, I take the momentum from here, and I just pull it up, and I step, and I do the same thing, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, okay? We start again, 5, 6, 7, 8, slowly, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So actually you can use your foot to come by the movement where you switch the direction. You want to take your foot, you can help yourself, come a little bit to the floor. Sometimes you can touch the floor and then just pull yourself up, pull up your foot up so that you end up in this. And then you go direction in the other direction. Okay, and you want to add some groove, okay? You can use your arms, you can use your upper body with the bounce. You want to add, you can add your arms. You want to go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 4. Okay, and the variation is just going in this opposite direction. You want to switch direction every time. Okay, you just go directly into the third step where you just switch the direction. Right? You can add your arms, you can add your upper body, and you can add some groove. Okay. Okay. So you want to practice that. That was the fourth step. That was the step marking. The fifth step. This step for you today is going to be Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang, that crew, that crew, that gang, Wu-Tang. So the Wu-Tang Tang. There is actually a step, Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang is with W, so we kind of draw a W with our arms, okay? I'll show you the step at first. Here is the Wu-Tang. Don't take the right arm, I'll show you the step first. I go 1, 2, 3, and king. In the bang, you know what I'm saying? That's the Wu-Tang. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? I'm going to bend a little bit backwards when doing that. First, you're going to practice the arms, just the arms. Okay, and 1 and 2, then together and in the bend. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see, you're actually drawing the W. Take first in the middle, like this is the middle, upwards, like transform to V. Okay, in the middle, and then we are taking that again, and then at the end you do the outer sides of the V. When you draw this arm, the outer structure of the V. Okay, again, 1, 2, and 4, and end in the bend. Wu-Tang Clan. Okay, again, back a little bit. Go right, left, together, ping. And you want to add some grooves to it. You want to add some step. Okay, you can use. It's actually a really long dance up. You can use that to add some grooves to it. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and hey, hey. So yeah, that's it. I hope you really enjoy what you're seeing. Okay. If you want to see something else, something specific, if you need some resources, don't forget, you can write me, just DM me or write in the comments below. Do one thing for me right now. If you like this video, if you like, share it with one person, just one person. You must not share it with everybody. Just one person whom you can help, and yeah, leave me a comment on how you like the video. You can practice that, you can do a video of yourself, film yourself, and tag me on it. I would really love to watch you dancing and practicing. We can do that together. All I want for us is to have some good time together, share the knowledge that you have. Maybe you have something that I want to learn. I really want to learn a lot. So maybe you know something and you can do a tutorial. I would love to watch yourself. And yeah, let's exchange our knowledge and let's make this world a better place. Thank you for watching my videos. It was your boys Breezy again and again and again at the New Things Academy. You know what it is, man. It's in Una Heaven territory. Come and let's have some fun. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.